Sunday, 10 a.m. and everyone's at churchy church, so this place is like really quiet and dark and kind of creepy. There's absolutely nobody here, from what I can see anyway. So, me and Ralph are going to Starbucks. And then figuring out what we're doing for the rest of the day. There's no cars signed up to do anything this afternoon, so we don't know what's on the agenda. So, we'll have to see how the day goes. Story of my life, waiting for Ralph.
I'm regular, okay?
To finish while he's in the bathroom. These trees are awesome. They're like ginormous fans. They're huge. I love them. What are they called? Ah!
Aloe.
Oh.
Is them?
Yeah, there's a lot of aloe plants. Okay. So we've decided that we're going to take the bus, do what we did yesterday. Take the bus to Maui, go to the beach and spend several hours there. Cliff jump, because we saw people jumping off a cliff not too far away, because we just didn't have time yesterday. Then, watch the sunset, because there's no dinner tonight. Won't that be romantical?
No dinner all week.
No dinner all week, because it's an empty
More
building.
time for play.
Yes. And then come back on the bus at 7?
7-ish. 7 or 8.
7 or 8. It'll be nice. Right?
Yeah. I'm not even in bed.
So the bus leaves in like a half hour, so we're going to grab a bite to eat and then run back and catch the bus.
It's a bird. It's a baby pigeon?
Yeah, why isn't he moving? Buddy.
Buddy.
Is he hurt?
Probably.
Oh my goodness. He's shaking. Should we just leave him there?
Yeah.
The baby pigeon. Okay. I'll vlog on the bus. Bye for now. What's it? Maui. Live music. This is where we showered off yesterday, behind this guy. Yeah, that was awkward. So, we made it here. It's an hour and a half with 3 transfers?
Yeah.
3 bus transfers. And it's only $2 for an entire day pass on a bus. Sorry. So yeah, super cheap. So that's sweet.
And this is the best beach we've been to.
Oh, it's gorgeous. That's our goal, to go right there. And cliff jump. Beautiful. Yo, so we were at the beach and I completely forgot to vlog. But we were in the water and it was beautiful. Now we're walking along the boardwalk. It's live music, so it's loud. I smell a cigar.
It smells great.
I think we're gonna get a drink and watch the sunset. There goes the sun. Da-na-na-na. Let's go to the beach, man. So we went to, what's it called? Taro and Cane? What a stupid name for a restaurant. But anyway, it's really nice. Cane and Taro. And had a cold pint. It's very refreshing and wonderful. Thank you for asking. saw a dude talking to his flip phone, so I figured he's a YouTuber slash vlogger. AJ said he was too old though. That's kind of harsh.
It's pretty old.
Anyway, there's people everywhere. Live music everywhere. As you can see, they're just starting. There's wind chime doodads, and the sun will be setting soon. All in all, it's a great night here in Maui. What are you saying, honey? Okay. I think we should swim up to one of those boats and totally like hijack it.
Totally.
Is that what you would call it?
Totally.
Totes.
Hijack.
All right, waiting for the sun. Anytime now. That is some sweet solo action going on over there.
Yeah. Ukulele.
Do you hear that? That's not a ukulele.
Yes, it is.
So we're probably gonna miss the sunset. There she blows. I mean, goes.
She blows.
Ain't it pretty? We were gonna go to a bar tonight and because there was some swing dancing going on, but we decided to miss it for the pretty sunset. So hopefully it sets pretty soon. I blinked. Anyway, it's really nice here. Do you love it, Ralph? Has this been your favorite day of your entire life?
Yeah. No, really. Better than my wedding day.
Wow, really?
Yeah, 10 times better.
Oh,
At
see, look,
least.
guy with long hair.
Oh.
You know how many times he's farted in my vlog videos? 12. Do they want to be in it? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I love how people just sit here like they're waiting for fireworks, but it's just the sunset. It's pretty cool. Like all these people sitting. Isn't that so too? Just to watch the sunset. It's quite lovely. Isn't it so lovely?
So lovely.
Show that picture in the vlog. Okay.
Wait.
Edit that one in. Thank you very much. Oh, she's getting orange. Oh, I want to be on that boat right now. Beautiful.
Filming?
Ah.
Film?
We're gonna miss our bus, so we better go. Next time, we'll watch it set all the way. Look at all the photographers. Yeah, I did. Beautiful. Very nice. Lovely. I just think it's funny. Come on, honey! Oh my goodness, the bus is there. Story of our lives. Is that it? Oh!